Hey everybody, it's Naomi, and this was the fourth and final week of Smooth Transitions Month. So we worked on transitions in our solo jazz of changing directions. So we did the classic boogie backs and boogie forwards. And what we talked about was getting ready to go forward and bringing those arms up before we started, as opposed to being here, standing up, and then raising our arms up. So we were transitioning our upper bodies as well. Then we did fishtails into truckin'. That's right. 1, 3, 5, 7. So we got ready for this down up feeling. And then our 1, 3, 5, 7. Last but not least, we worked on the camel walk tonight. Remember, a couple pointers. When you're stepping on it, it's always straight, the other leg is bent, and you're switching. One leg straight, one leg bent all the time. We practiced it to really slow music so that we were on every single beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But then we said for the tempo that we were working with in the other steps, we could take it half time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we just took a little walk back into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a little walk back. Then we did a little transition between solo jazz and partnered stuff. So we did a swing out, 6, 7, into our back and up. And we also had the foolproof leaders out of a swing out or anything else in open. 1, 2, 3, hey, ho, going into what we wanted. And the big takeaway for both of those was that when we surprise our partner and have that down on 7 or 3 or wherever it is, we don't want it to be a stop or a freeze. We want it to be soft and moving into the next thing. Never stopping dancing. That really helps not just how it looks, but also helps your follower pick up on it as well. And that was it.